Hi everyone. In this episode, I'm going to create a human resources Power BI report using the data model that I already designed in the last video, as you can see here. The last video you can find it in my channel YouTube, or you can find the link in the description of this video. So let's start with the creating matrix. Double click. Here we go. We have an empty matrix. I'm going to select first of all the department. As you can see here, we have multiple department. After that, I'm going to use the address of work, but I'm going to use the rows, not the columns or the values. I'm going to show you how it will appear after finishing the matrix. So after that, we are going to select the code of the boss and the code employee. As you can see here. So let's click on focus mode. As you can see, the administration get two address of work. This one and this one and this one are the code boss, and the other ones are the code employee. So let's complete. First of all, we have to make the total of, because we don't have number. As you can see, it disappear. Also, I don't want to see the background in multiple colors. I want it only in one color, which is the white one. So I'm going to select this one and pick white color. And as you can see here, we have only a white color. So we finished the first matrix. Let's make it smaller. I'm going also to create uh, another matrix. So as you can see here, let's select the department and the address of work. So as you can see here, in the rows we have a group of departments, and the groups of the column is the address of work. And as value, let's select the code employee. As you can see here, it's the first code employee. We don't need that. It appears that we can't put it in values because it's not countable. So let's move it to rows, as you can see here. And let's put the salary in the values. Let's click on focus mode. So as you can see here, the administration, this is the code employees who work in the administration. In Sfax, in Tunis, as you can see here, here the dev, here the help desk, the sales department. So also let's add the family name in this matrix. Just wait a little bit. Oh, it create an hierarchy. Don't need it. Okay. Let's click on family name and the name to make the data more significant. So as you can see here, you can see the first name and the last name, but we want to make the background as white as in the other uh, time. Okay, so now we have two matrix. Let's move this one here. Let's put this one here. Okay, so I want now to create some slicers. The first one is the code boss, as you can see here. I'm going to change the title. It's off. I'm going to make it on, and I'm going to type code boss. I'm going to change the background of the color to this one and the font color to white. Let's make it another color. Let's make it this one, and let's change the alignment to center and the text size to 10. Also, let's change the selection controls. Multi-select with control, let's put it off, and let's make the show the select all option on. The slicer header, I don't want to see the title of the slice header, so it disappear. We can't change it to drop down, as you can see here, or we can choose the list one. Okay, so I'm going to create another slicer, which is the code employee this time. We are going to do the same thing. The slice header, it will disappear. The selection controls. Okay. The title code employee, as you can see here. Let's change the font color to white, and the background color the same color of this one. And here we go. Also, let's make other slicer, which is the department. I'm going to do the same work as you can see here. Let's choose the title text as department name. The font color is white, and the background color is this one. Let's change the text size to 10. Okay, so here we go. So let's do another slicer, which is the job title. Okay, so let's do the same thing but faster. Here we change the selection controls parameters. The slicer header, we will delete the title. The title text is job title name. The font color is obviously the white. The background color has been changed, and the text size to 10. Okay, so let's just change the size of the slicers, and let's make the alignment. Okay, but let me first of all adding the border and the shadow for this one, also adding the border and the shadow. For this one also, the department name, let's add the border and the shadow. Here the job title. Let's add the border and the shadow. Okay, so here we have multiple slicers. So for this one, let's add the border and the shadow, and let's add a title, which is department details. Let's change the background color to this one. It's the same one, and the font color to the white, and let's put the text size to 10. Okay, and let's move all the slicers close to this matrix. And here we go. Okay, so I'm going to do this also, changing the title and adding the border and the shadow. Let's add the title. Here we go. So details HR matrix. Okay, so let's change the font color to this one. The background, I'm sorry, it will be white, the font color, as we agreed, and the background color to this one. And let's change the text size to this one. Okay, so I don't want to see the subtitles, as you can see here. So I made some changes. Here I have the total, the column totals, only the column totals. I don't have uh, the row subtotals. Okay, so here we have this this report. So let's create a pie chart. The first one is containing the department, and each department have a specific job title. So uh, so uh, so as you can see here, we did the count of job titles by department. So the dev has 22 job title. Uh, the blank one has one. The says department have three. So we have three. One who works in uh, the department of sales. The text we have five. The help desk we have seven, and the administration we have nine. So let's change the title. Job title count by department. Okay, so let's add the border and the shadow. Let's change the font color for the title and the background color, and let's resize the text for this one. Also, let's create a pie chart, another pie chart, department by salary. Not this one. Let's remove it. Going to choose this one and department. So salary by department, as you can see here. Let's change the title, month salary by department. We did the total of all the month salaries by department. Let's change the text size to 10, as you can see here, and we don't forget to add a border and a shadow. So as you can see here, also let's create a bar. So let's choose a job title by salary, as you can see here. We select salary by job title. So the salary is a sum. We did that. So it's the sum of the month salaries by job title, as you can see here. Here, let's change the title, month salaries total by job title. So let's change the font color, the background color, the alignment, and also the text size, and let's add a border and a shadow, as you can see here. Okay, so let's add something which is, let's create let's create a pie which is let's do it department, and let's choose also the address of work. So let's change this. I'm going to count the departments by address of work. Let's change a little bit the title. So Let's change the font color, the background color to this one, the text size. Let's change it to 10. So let's resize this one. And let's resize the charts. So as you can see here, we have create an HR solution which contains multiple items such as the matrix, the pies, the bars, charts, etc. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please like the video and comment with what you want to see in next episodes, and don't forget also to subscribe to this channel. And see you in other videos. And goodbye.